Hi, good morning to all of you. This is Ashok Kumar. I am working as a mathematics teacher in SNBTM Techno School. I think you are enjoying so many holidays, I think, because of COVID 19. So, for your mind relaxation, I would like to introduce one topic, very interesting topic, verbal reasoning. So, in this verbal reasoning, this verbal reasoning is very useful to you in so many competitive exams and talent tests like that. So, I would like to introduce in verbal reasoning two topics today. First one is number series, and the second one is coding decoding. So, in number series, I would like to explain some models. Here, observe every model has a one logic is there. So every model has different logics. For example, first example see 2 comma 5 comma 9 comma 19 comma 37. So in this, what is the logic? So question mark is there. So this is the answer. You have to find out this answer. So what is the next number after 37? So how to find out this? How to solve? Very simple. See 2, 5, 9, 19, 37. Observe the pattern of the number series. So 2 is double of 2 is 4. Double of 5 is 10. So double of 9 is 18. So like that it is very nearest numbers, double numbers, very nearest numbers of double numbers. So see, suppose double the 2 2s are 4. So to get to 5, how much you have to add? Clearly it is 1. So that's why plus 1. So the next number. So same here, second number is 5. So multiply it with 2. I mean double the number. So 5 2s are 10. So here what is the next number? 9. But we got 10. So to get 9, what we have to do? Add plus 1 or minus 1? Clearly it is minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So we get third number. So again, what is the third number? 9. So 9 into 2, double the 9, then we get 18. But our required number, next number is 19. So how can we get 19? Very simple, by adding 1. So here observe the pattern once. One number is added plus 1, double is common, double the number is common. One number is added plus 1 and one number is minus 1. Again add plus 1 and the next one is subtract minus 1. So see, let us 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. So we got the next number. Here what is the next number? 19. Double the 19, 19 2s are clearly 38. So 38. 38. So plus 1 no minus 1. Plus 1 no minus 1. So here what is the operation? Minus 1. So 38 minus 1. So that is equal to 37. So all numbers we got this pattern. What is the pattern here? Double the number and alternately add plus 1 and minus 1. Add plus 1 and minus 1. So like that, this is the logic in this question. What is the logic? Double the number and add plus 1 and minus 1 again. So what is the next number? What is your answer? So clearly the last number is 37. Double the 37. Suppose 37 2s are. 37 2s are. Clearly 74. 74. So 74 here minus 1. So next one is plus 1. Clearly plus 1. So add plus 1. So the answer is here, what is the answer? 74 plus 1. 75. So like this we have to find out the solution. So everyone has a different logic. Here this logic is applicable. But second one, observe the second one. 0 comma, second example observe. 0 comma 6 comma 24 comma 60 comma 120 comma 210. Comma 6 comma 24 comma 60 comma 120 comma 210. So observe the numbers keenly. So these numbers are nearest numbers of cube numbers. First of all, what are the cube numbers generally? 1 cube. is 1. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. 4 cube 64. 5 cube is 125. So 6 cube is 216. Like that. These are all cube numbers. Once observe this question 0, 6, 24, 60, 120, 210 are the nearest numbers of the cube numbers. So first 1 cube is 1. So 1 cube is equal to 1. So 1 cube value is 1. So to get 0, which number is subtracted? Clearly minus 1. So 1 cube value is 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. That is first number. And second number, observe 2 cube. 2 cube is equal to 8. Clearly no. 2 cube is equal to 8. But here what number is there? 6 is there. So how much you have to subtract? Clearly minus 2. So 2 cube minus 2. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. So second number you got. Similarly, third number. What is the third number? 3 cube. 3 cube is equal to 27. So clearly 3 cube minus 3. So this is the pattern. This is the logic. 1 cube minus 1, 2 cube minus 2, 3 cube minus 3. Here what is the answer? 3 cube means 27. 27 minus 3, 24. So same. 64. 4 cube minus 4. If you write 4 cube minus 4, what is the answer? 64 minus 4. How much? 60. So 120 also same. 5 cube minus 5. 5 cube is 125. 125 minus 5 how much? 120. So this is the pattern. So for 210, last number 210. 4 cube minus, this is actually 6 cube. So 6 cube minus 6. 6 cube value is 216. So 216 minus 6. How much? 210. So what is the next number? Guess the next number. So 6 cube after what is the number? Clearly 7 cube minus 7. Actually number is 7 cube. Pattern is 7 cube minus 7. 7 cube value is 343. So 343 minus 7. So 343 minus 7. So 336. 336 is the correct answer. What is the correct answer here? 336. So this is the second one. And the third one is observe the fractions, given fractions. 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 8, 7 by 16. So here separately observe the numerators and denominators separately. 1, 3, 5, 7. These numbers are clearly odd numbers. So what is the next number? Clearly what is the next numerator? You can say that is 9. You can say that is 9. Observe the denominators. 2, 4, 8, 16. So double of 2 is 4. Double of 4 is 8. 8 double is 16. And 16 double is 32. So the next fraction and the next number is 9 by 32. 9 by 32. So simply by observing denominators and numerators, we can write the next fraction. So this is third one. Logic is very simple. By observing the numerator and denominator, we can find out the next fraction. So and the last one is 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 25. What is the next number? So clearly observe the pattern. What is the difference between 11 and 13? Difference, clearly that is 2. So by adding 2 we can get 13. Here what is the difference? 13 and 17, clearly 4. 4 is the difference. By adding 4 to 13 we get 17. So again what is the difference? 17, 19 plus 2. 2 is the difference. So plus 2. So again what is the difference? Plus 4. Difference is plus 2. So here clearly the pattern, we can understand the pattern. Plus 2 one time, second time plus 4. Again plus 2 plus 4. Plus 2 plus 4 like that. So what is the next order? Clearly after plus 2. What is the next? Plus 4 clearly. So what is the next number? 25. You have to add plus 4 to 25. Then we can get 29. So what is the next number? 29. So this is about the number series. These are all the examples. So at the end of this lesson, I will give one worksheet. In that worksheet, I will give some more questions like that and on number series. So